So I'm going to show you how I made the pool noodle sandblocks. So obviously you need a pool noodle. This one's blue. And you need something to cut it with. Should you use this? No. Could you ask mom or dad to help to use this for you if you wanted to make pool noodles? Yes, but should you go grab a saw and start using it? No. So first I have to do is measure so that they're close to the same size. All right. So I've got this is called a carpenter square, but it's really just a fancy looking ruler. And what I'm going to do is mark 3 inches spots. So there's 3 inches. There's 3 inches. So now you see we've got marks all the way down. Okay. So now I don't want to cut my table because I made this table. Can you believe that? I made this table and I don't want to, cut it with a saw. So I'm going to hold the pool noodle slightly off the table. And now I'm going to put it right on that line that I created. And I'm just going to go right back and forth. It cut it. Look at that. Now we take this and we have to cut it in half. So this one's a little tricky to make sure that I don't cut my table. But I'm going to go like this. And then I'm going to pick it up and go the rest of the way. And now I have sandblocks. Engine number 9, heading down Chicago line. See it sparkle, see it shine. Engine number 9. I hope you have a great time with your sandblocks.